Hey everyone, today we are going to play with HashiCorp Bowl, specifically how to use Postgres database plugin to generate database credentials dynamically based on a role user. Let's dive in. So first, we need to know the key concepts and the requirements and why dynamic secrets. Dynamic secrets have a lot of static credentials. Configure file, for example, you can see this is a configure file. And also there are two features, which is self-service for applications and audit trails. You know it's important who access what and when. And the requirements, you only need three things: Python, Postgres database running and accessible, and a Vault client. The key concepts are three. The first, and what is Vault, is a tool to centralize, store, and manage secrets like passwords and app keys. Second, and what is a Vault rule? It says you can check the documentation. This is a set of rules that controls who or what can access the secrets and what permission they have. Example, read only or full access. And the last one is how to connect to Vault. You can use the HBAC library, and it's an official library. It's important you can check the steps we are going to follow in the developer HashiCorp.com page. Step 1. You have to enable the database secret engine using this command, Vault secret enable database. Step 2. Set up the Postgres plugin. Configure the Postgres database plugin for dynamical credential generation. And step 3, you have to understand the plugin role. In this case, is test role. And lastly, you have to verify the plugin setup. You have to be sure you can retrieve those values. You can retrieve the dynamic secrets using Python. Use the Vault client HBAC in Python to fetch credentials securely. And you can see the output. This script is working and the future improvements. This example shows you how Vault with PostgreSQL and Python can be used, and you can adapt it for your own Python application. An important message is stay curious about other Vault features. And thank you. See you in the next video, and I hope you